Hi, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shanawaz Mohammed, and I am going to quickly explain about the topic that I have taken, and then I will start showing the application, and then we'll record this session and then I will push it to the YouTube channel. And to start with the the app first. Okay, here is my README. I have got used the topic as plain speak. So here is the one line description. So for the task that I have taken, a privacy first AI that turns the confusing official document into a plain English, runs entirely on the computer using the Gamma4, the LLM I have taken for this, and built for the Gamma4 digital equity and inclusive tracks. The problem here, roughly 130 million American adults reads at below a 6th grade level. Every week they receive documents right nowhere near that level. IRS notices, medical letters, hospital bills, insurance, and UB eviction notices, court summons. The US Plain Writing Act of 2010, plain language federal requirement. 16 years later, almost no agency complies. The cost of human people miss deadly deadlines, pay bills they don't owe, ignore court summons, lose benefits, sign things they should not have signed. Cloud AI tool could help, but uploading a medical bills on an immigration letter to a remote server is privacy, not starter for the people who need this help most. So what my application does is what plain speak does, in the sense my application, you drag the PDF or a copy or a photo or copy paste whatever it is. Gamma 4 will read in your machine and produce the structural plain English explanation, and then it will divide into multiple sections and tell you what exactly you need, who sent it, all the meaningful sections about it, and provide you the shortest summary. You can then also follow the questions and conversation, uh, and then you can get more clarity about what it is and how you can deal with it. And here is the architectural program that I have built, and then there are the more information about the readme, and then here is the quick start process, and also install information, and then running instructions, and if it is a fallback, what to do. And also I have provided a couple of sample documents that you can basically test. I will show you once this readme completes. Or then here is the roadmap, what are the tools that is calling and audio outputs and mobile build and multilingual round trip. So I have used I'm going to share this repository as well for you to do the testing. And here is the actual application that basically uh, runs. So if I refresh quickly, so then I can basically, here I can use a medical and then here is the content I got, and then I can just acknowledge, and then it will give me the response quickly. Here it is loading. So probably take a couple of minutes to read. Here you are, it's got read. So based on the information that I have provided, it's generated in a plain and simplest English with the specific most important information, and also who sent, and if it is related to important details, if it is money involved, questions, and then also I can ask the follow-up questions to get answer. So I'm not going to ask the follow-up questions because it will be longer or out of the scope of this task. So then here is the Kaggle write-up I have, and what are the tools and technology stack I have used. I have briefly put it here, everything. And then about the submission checklist, I have got all the information from the uh, from the from the application, I mean the Kaggle portal, to exactly have the proper information and what it needs to. And then I have got everything, and then here is the more information about like what are the things that is going to happen. I have put it in a script so that if if someone is not able to follow along with my audio, obviously they can easily go through the written script that might help to easily grasp it. So that's all about the application and about the task. Thank you for watching.